When we go on road trips, we usually stop at rest areas or travel information centers like this one to take a quick break. Soon, travelers on I-10 will have 2 new rest areas to take advantage of. These 2 new areas are under construction now near Van Horn. The I-10 Culberson County safety rest areas are located on I-10 from 8.5 miles east of Van Horn to Evergreen Road in Culberson County. Under construction now, they'll replace current facilities west of the new locations.
We've got a lot of long, lonely stretches of highway where driver fatigue is one of our biggest concerns in terms of some of the accidents and fatalities that we review. And the whole point with this new facility here on I-10 is to allow people to take a break.
The 2 stops, one north and one south of I-10, include on and off ramps on both the north and south sides of I-10 to access the new amenities.
Well, in contrast to some traditional rest areas we've all stopped at on our travels that tend to have a fairly cookie cutter approach where you basically build the same building regardless of the location, this has several context-sensitive features to the area.
Facilities will include interpretive displays along some of the trails that will be built and spots for stargazing. To accommodate each safety rest area, both parking lots would be constructed to include 28 standard spaces for passenger cars and a minimum of 28 tractor-trailer parking spaces. In addition, a pump house, playground, 1 group picnic arbor, and 5 single picnic arbors will be built on the grounds of each rest area.
And there's a lot of folks when they travel now, especially at night, may not be comfortable stopping at some of the smaller facilities or truck stops. They may not need to eat or anything, they just need to use the restroom or get a break. This will provide a safe place for folks to do that. That's still nearby the interstate. It's a quick stop, but still allow them to get a break.
In rural areas, rest stops are especially important as they can also be used to take care of preventative maintenance and take refuge from any hazardous weather conditions. The 2 new rest areas will be available for travelers 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. We hope to have them complete by the end of 2021. Until then, enjoy the 76 rest areas and 12 travel information centers we have located across the state. Until next time, safe travels.